Today, she's absent. Who is that? Sweda is at. So Sweda there, Mika is there, Jagan. Kalerasu, what about Kalerasu? She's not there. என்ன பாச்சு கலையரசு
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Kalayarasan is there. Okay, okay. Sorry, I didn't notice. How many people are there? Oh, Yagdib is not there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Yagdib is there. That's I started calling you. Okay. So this is the problem we have taken. This is the global direction. So you need not do any R transpose KR. It is in the global direction. But this matrix you have to formulate in the global direction. And what we have learned yesterday is this beam element. There are we will not consider the horizontal forces. So if you are considering the beam element, the numbering should be vertical is 1 and horizontal is 2. Sorry, rotation is 2 and vertical is 3 and rotation is 4, like that we have numbered. And in this case we are not considering the horizontal forces, that is the horizontal effect, the shortening effect or the elongation effect of the beam will be negligible. But in the case of frame, the frame will start sway, so horizontal effect will be there, that I explained already. So when you take this case, you will have u1 is equal to 0 because vertically it is restrained and rotation is also 0, and u3 is also vertically restrained, so it is 0, but u4 you will have a rotation. You will have a rotation. Theta is there. Theta is, so you have a theta here, but here it is theta is equal to 0. So, but in the case of these are the three types of support what we are going to deal with, and this is a hinge support, roller support. Roller support. The thing is the horizontal it is free, but that we are not considering in the beam. But in the case of frame, that is the porta frame. If you take a porta frame, then suppose this is a porta frame we have taken, this end is fixed. So numbering we have to start from the numbering you can do anyway, but the stiffness matrix you have to follow from bottom to top. So numbering for horizontal it should be 1, vertical 2, and it is rotation is 3, and this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and wherever you are having the joint you have to number it, and this is a last fixed. So that we have to, so you have to pay attention to the numbering of the horizontal force, that is numbered as 1, that is numbered as 1. So like that you have to follow, and I have explained this to us, that is u1 is equal to 0. So this is fixed, everything is 0, u1, u2, u3 0, but u4, u5, u6 it is, they are free to come horizontally, free to move in the horizontal direction and rotate also, that is also allowed. And so this is u7, u8, 9 are also u7, 8, 9 are also not equal to 0 because they are free to move. And when you take the 10, 11, 12, it is again it is free. It is fixed. Fixed means that is not, it is not allowed. So all these things we have seen already. So this is a problem we have done, and I have started the problem. 1 minute. I have started with this problem. So this and all you need not get confused with that. It is subjected to a load of 5 kilonewton at one of the joints. So that's a load, and this is for the first beam. So what I have done is the E value is given in Gibbs and inch square, and I value is given in inches, and A is also given in inches. So what we have to know, calculate in this stiffness matrices, A by L, 12A by L cube, 6A by L square, 6A by L square, and 4A by L, and 2A by L. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quantities you have to calculate. Other things are repetition of the previous thing. So I have calculated A by L 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 quantities I have to calculate, and then I will put it in the respective form, that is respective places. And the numbering is for the beam element. If I take the numbering, it is starting with the 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. So I have numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's for the first beam element. So that's, it's in the global direction. No problem. You need not do any multiplication of the transformation matrix as it is in the global direction. But when we move on to this, the second member, that's a vertical member, you have to rotate it. First, you formulate the stiffness matrix as for the previous member. As like the previous member, you calculate A by L, 12A by L, everything you calculate. Now we have moved on to the transformation matrix for this second member. Transformation means, and I told the angle you have to take is always with a horizontal. So angle is 90 degree. So with the horizontal is 90 degrees. So I told the students to calculate the cos theta, sin theta 0 minus sin theta, cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1. I asked them to calculate. So cos 0 is equal, cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1. And so just they have put it here and they have done this calculation. And what they have done is they have done this part, this k into r they have done, k into r they have done. That is, first you have to do, this is a mathematical procedure. First you have to find out the k matrix, then you have to multiply by the post multiply by the rotation matrix, and now this up to this one they have finished. So Mikas, what you can do is just did you get the notes? Jagan, did you send the notes to him? Hello?
Ma'am, I will send it, ma'am.
You will send it. So today you send it. Today you send it. So Mikas, what you do is you just calculate So yesterday we have completed this one. So you can collect the notes from him, and this is the way we have calculated. And this is the value we have calculated. This is kr. Ke dash into r. So now this is the final product. So now we have to pre-multiply by r transpose. So how will you multiply r transpose? Can you so Mikas, can you copy just this work alone? This can be, I'll give you 2 minutes. Just copy down this. This is for the second one. Put the title as second member steepness matrix. Just to copy down this one, and we will do the R transpose. Meanwhile, the students, you do the R transpose matrix. 1 minute, 1 minute. What will you do for R transpose? You make the row as column. That is cos theta minus sin theta 0, 0, 0. Then the second row will become the second column will become the second row. So like that, can you do it? Can you do it and you can read it for me? Students, you do it. R transpose, you write, find out R transpose. Because you copy down this. 1 minute. Yes, you copy down this one. Copy down this one, and students, you find out R transpose and tell me what's the value of R transpose. Can you read the R transpose matrix if you're finished? Because have you finished this copying down this one, stiffness
Yes,
matrix?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you have to do is you just copy down this R matrix also, this matrix, rotation matrix. Cos theta is equal to 0, sin theta is the final matrix. 1 minute, check whether I have done it or not. I will do it. So what you have to do is you take cos theta is equal to 1. You need not write this also. If you want, you can write. Otherwise, for cos theta is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0 and sin 90 is equal to 1.
Ma'am, R transpose.
You finished?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only the transpose.
Transpose you are going to read.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Let me just complete this one. We'll wait. Just 2 minutes. We'll wait and then I'll read. Because you can also continue with our remaining things.
I have finished, ma'am.
Finished. Okay. Now what I told is this is R matrix. I told them to find out the R transpose. R transpose means the row will become the column. The column will become the row. That is this column. That is, if you take this one, this particular column will become the particular row. That is cos theta. It will become cos theta minus sin theta 0, 0, 0, 0. It will become like this. And the second row will be this one. Second column. Second row will become sin theta, cos theta, 0, 0. Like that it will become. So like that you have to find out the transformation matrix. That's the answer they are going to tell us. We'll see what they have done in 1 minute. R transpose matrix. R transpose. Rotation matrix. Can you read the value of rotation matrix? Let me write here. Can you write that is rotation matrix is numbering is 789. 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it 10, 11, 12? 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 4, 5, 6. So R matrix, what's the value? 0. Then can you somebody read me? Kalayarisi, can you read it for me? R matrix, not
Ma'am,
R.
he is not present, ma'am.
Kalayarisi is not present. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
He said, no, ma'am. After the lunch period, ma'am.
Lunch break. Why he is not answer? He is not
some
present.
network problem, ma'am.
Network
Don't know
problem.
the correct reason, ma'am.
Okay. You send the notes again to him. Let him learn and come. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Somebody can read it for me. That is rotation matrix 0.
Yes, ma'am. 1,
no,
0,
you-
0, 0.
0, 0. In second row,
Minus 1.
0, 0. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this will be the 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then if I fill this one, check it whether it's I'm doing is correct or not.
Correct,
Minus
ma'am.
1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this one. Now we will go to the R transpose matrix. So that also will tell me R transpose matrix. 1 minute. So R transpose matrix will be, now you tell me, it's a value. It's 0, no? 0 minus 1, am I correct? Minus 1. Jagan, can you read it for me?
Ma'am?
0 minus 1.
0.
0.
Remaining also 0.
First row finished. Second row. Second
1.
row 1.
0 0
0 0 0. Third row is
0 0 1. Remaining 0.
fourth row.
0 0 0
Hmm.
0 minus 1 0
Hmm.
0 0 0 1 0 0.
Hmm. Then
First 5 numbers 0, last one 1.
okay. Okay. This is the thing. Then now what you have to find out is K is equal to R transpose K element dash into R. So yesterday we found out this value. Now you know the value of R transpose. This we have found out. Just to write that one and pre-multiplied by R transpose. So first you have to write R transpose. Then you have to write KE dash R. That we have found out yesterday. Can you do it? And tell me the final answer. All of you do this and tell me the
Ma'am,
final answer.
same procedure, ma'am.
Uh,
Horizontal by vertical.
the same thing. That is horizontal by vertical. Horizontal by vertical. The same procedure. Same procedure. Yesterday what
Okay,
you have done is, because you know, no, the multiplication of the rows and the column. The if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you have to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So then you have to multiply the first row with the first column. You will get the first number. Then first row, always keep the first row and the second column, you will get the second number. First row, third column, you will get the third number. Now move on to the second row. Second row, first column, you will get the this number. Second row you have to fill up like this. Second row. So first you finish the first row. First row means first row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. So you'll get this number. So like that, you finish it up now and tell me the answer. We finished. If you finished, you just read it. I'll write the final answer. Anybody has finished? Completed? Can you read it? Katirga, you are finished. Can you read it for me? Katirga, you finished or you are still doing?
I'm finished, but I don't know whether it is correct or not.
We will check it with the others.
Minus 12.6,
Ah,
0, 1510.4,
15.
10.4, 12.6,
Hmm.
0, 1510.4.
Okay.
Ma'am, whether it is correct?
This is correct. This what you how do you check it? This is minus plus. This is plus. This is 60A by L square. So here this matrix what you are getting is finally you will get a symmetric matrix. In that way you can check it. Symmetric matrix. Okay. Okay, right on. Tell me. I'll
0,
check.
120.83.
1, 2.
Ma'am, first value is 0, ma'am.
First one is this is 0. First one is 0. Yeah, this should be 0 because diagonally also it should be 0. That's right. This and this should be equal. That is when you take this one should be equal to this one diagonally. Tell me.
120.83.
1, 2.
0.83.
Uh,
0.
uh,
0. Everything is 0, ma'am.
okay. I'll check it. You just tell me. Finally, I can check it. Next value.
Minus 1510.4.
Is it minus 1.5 or plus 1.5? Anybody else have got the answer? This
minus
plus
1.5, ma'am.
minus 1. That is not correct because this answer should be equal to this answer. Either here it is also minus. Check the value. Symmetric. What you are getting should be the symmetric. This will be symmetric. 1 minute. 1 minute. This should be symmetric. So whatever you are getting here, anybody else have got the different answer? Hello?
Ma'am, same answer only, ma'am.
Okay, anyway, we'll check it. Then what's the answer for this?
0, ma'am.
0 here.
241.7 into 10 to the power 3.
241.
241.7.
Ma'am, 241.7, ma'am.
Okay, like that you tell me. That will be easy for me. 241.7
into 10 to the power 3.
Then
1.
1. Then
Ma'am, 1510.4. Ma'am, 1 will not come, ma'am. Third row, fourth column, 1 will not come, ma'am.
Previous value, ma'am. 1510.4.
Okay. One 1510.4. Then
0. 120.83.
okay. Then
Minus 12.6. 0.
0. Then this one value
1510.4.
510.4.
12.6. 0. 1510.4.
So if you construct this one, where are in that? This should be this line should be symmetrical. We check this one. This.
Can I tell the next row, ma'am?
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Next row you read. That's
0.
0.
Minus 120.83. 0.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Eh?
Ma'am, that's actually minus 1208.3, ma'am.
1208.3. It is not 120.83?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. 1208.3, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, similarly, second row, second column also, ma'am.
Second row.
Second column, 1208.3. Positive only.
Okay. Then this value. So this is correct. This value is correct. Diagonally. So this is a diagonal. No, this is a diagonal. Upper diagonal will be equal to lower diagonal. So wait.
0.
0. 120.83. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, it is 1208.3.
okay,
1208.3.
1208. Then this also 1208.3.
Yes, ma'am. It is not
Yes,
120.
ma'am. 1208 only, ma'am.
Okay. 1000. Last value?
0.
0. So somewhere I missed something. This value and this value should be symmetrical.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, one more row is there, ma'am.
ma'am, actually direction
So
opposite side, ma'am.
one more there. One more row is there. Okay. One more row is there. Then it will be correct. Okay. Then
Minus 1510.4. 0. Hello.
tell me.
1208.3.
Then
1510.4. 0. 241.7 into 10 to the power 3.
so this is correct. This value, this diagonal is correct.
Ma'am,
This
sixth
gets
row, third column, ma'am.
Sixth row, third column. What is the value?
120.83
Hmm.
into 10 to the power of 3.
How come? Because you told this is symmetrical. This row, this row, this row. Then this value is also 10 to 10 power 3.
Third row, sixth column also, ma'am. 120 into 120.83 into 10 to the power of 3.
120.
120.83.
Sweda, what about your answer? Sweda,
Yes, ma'am.
what you are getting for the third row, sixth column?
120.83 into 10 power 3, ma'am.
Okay, right. And 20.8 into 10 power 3. Okay. Then this also should be 120 because it's symmetrical. That's the way if you are committing any mistake in your calculation, you can find it out in your examination. 120, wait. 120.8 into 10 power 3. So this is symmetrical. So upper diagonal will be equal to lower diagonal.
Ma'am, how to check whether it is correct or not?
This upper diagonal will be equal to lower diagonal. So I'm checking. See here, when you are taking the upper diagonal, this one and this should be equal. Then this you take this one diagonally. So this value should be equal to this value. Am I correct? Diagonally they should be equal. When you are connecting this one diagonally, they should be equal. The upper diagonal should be equal to the lower diagonal. So this is the along the diagonal. So upper diagonal should be equal. So when you take this one, this value should be equal to this value, last value. So middle also this is equal to this. That's correct. So when I check this one, this is also correct. This is connected like this. I'll take another color that will be better for you. If I take this one, so this is connected. So this is connected. So when you're checking this one, this is also connected. So they will be connected like this. If I draw, because I am not able to write perfectly using this board, if you connect this one. So when you take the upper part means this part should be equal to is symmetric to the lower part. So this value should be equal to this value, and this value should be equal to. That is the diagonally they are correct. Then if you take this one, if you take this one, I'll take another color. This if you connect this one, this, this. So they are only the diagonal you are having a value, the other two values are 0. So that is symmetrical. When you take this one, there is one sign change here. Can you check it? This value same, this value. So there is one more error here. Can you check it here? This value. This
Ma'am, I'm getting minus sign, ma'am.
where?
Ma'am, the
minus.
circle one, ma'am.
Huh?
Minus value, ma'am.
Minus?
The one which you circled is minus value, ma'am.
Minus value, okay. Display minus. But what about this value? This value checking. This value check it once again.
Ma'am, third row, third column, ma'am.
Third row. Sorry, second row, fifth column.
0 only, ma'am.
Then what is this value?
Ma'am, let me check again, ma'am.
Yeah, it is some error is there. This is a way you have to find it out. And similarly, what about this? Whatever I am circling it, there should be check about this sign also. This also, you check the sign. All the other values are equal. It's correct. Only whatever I have circled in green should be checked out.
Ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, can you show the 1 minute, ma'am? Ma'am, can you show the R transpose?
R transpose, 1 minute. R transpose is theta minus 1, 0, 0. Did we commit any mistake in R transpose? So then also it will end up in error.
Ma'am, I have committed a mistake, ma'am.
Yeah.
First row, second column, I have put positive sign, ma'am. That's the error, ma'am, for me.
First row.
Second column.
This is my plus 1.
I have put plus 1, ma'am, but actually minus 1 is the answer, no, ma'am.
Yeah. This is the minus 1. Yeah. This is the correct thing. Cos theta, no. Yeah, minus 1 is the answer, correct. Yeah. So you check it.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it again.
What about this Ved and Nikyas? What is your answer?
Ma'am, I used minus sign, ma'am, but still getting the same answer, ma'am. I'll check it, ma'am.
Check it. You should not get the same answer. Because now you understood now how to check the correct answer. So it is enough if you do the upper diagonal alone also. Lower diagonal you need not calculate at all in your examination. Check it. So in the examination, you can ask, what I will ask is, I will ask you to find out the stiffness matrix in the global direction. That it can be for the 10 marks. Because it will take more time. It is very difficult to complete it. So you have to be very fast. I'll give you the vertical number. And for example, this is a photo frame. I will ask you to find out the stiffness matrix for the member number 1 in the global direction. That may be the question. Then you have to find out the rotation matrix. Suppose the member is inclined. That is inclined like this, not like this. I'll ask you to find out the rotation matrix for the stiffness matrix for the member number 1 in the global direction, and I'll give you the angle. Angle is equal to, let us take it as 60 degree. The column is an inclined column, and I'll ask you to find out the force, stiffness. So that's one part of the 10 marks question. So far we have learned how many marks? 20 marks we have learned in this unit. 10 marks definitely. One question will be there, and 6 marks one question. And part A, 2 marks question.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, the first row, ma'am, which I have circled 1510.4.
That
title is correct only, ma'am.
That is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
It's positive only.
Yeah, that one is positive, and the below one minus 1510.4. It is negative only, ma'am.
This
No,
is
for me
negative.
it is negative.
For you also it is coming negative.
Yes, ma'am.
But it should be symmetric. Did we commit any mistake in formulating the rotation matrix? Rotation matrix should be in the clockwise direction. So this is clockwise. For them, they have taken us 0, minus 1. It is like that, minus 1. Okay, but the answer should be, everyone is getting the answer. I'll check the answer. Everyone is getting the same answer. This, whatever I have rounded up as plus, this is plus and this is minus you are getting. Is it like that?
Ma'am, the first row will be minus, ma'am.
First row?
Minus, ma'am. Minus 1510.4 minus 12.6.
Minus 12.6. And then it is correct. Then this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. What about this value? Whatever I have rounded it of this value and this value should be symmetric. Can you check this value and this one? What I have ticked off. If they are coming correctly, then our answer is correct. Mikyas, are you able to get the answer? Mikyas?
Ma'am, I'm not getting the same answer as you do, but I understand the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay. Just to collect the material from Jagan and complete it. Okay.
Okay, I will. Okay.
Okay. Good. So I think we can start with this one. Only check this value and come for tomorrow's class. Tomorrow, if I will not take class because I have taken already 2 hours of Jessie ma'am's class. So tomorrow morning she'll be handling this class instead of me. She'll be handling because I have already compensated. I have taken 2 hours more in this week. So you can. She will be coming and taking. Just to check these 2 things. Whatever I ticked off, just check it and keep it. Definitely, that's either this should be minus and this should.
Sign change agum, correct.
Correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
In the value, what about the value? It should not be 0.
Ma'am, 0 தான் ma'am வருது.
அந்த 0 தான் ma'am. Sign first ரெண்டுக்கு change ஆகுது, correct ma'am.
Okay, if it is 0, then it should be 0. This tick should be 0. Only these 2 things you check it off. And with that, I think we will stop today. And this you can attend. We will see in the subsequent classes. Okay, maybe on next week. I don't know. What about that? We didn't get any instruction. So Thursday we don't have any class. 25th December is a holiday. So this week we will not we get a chance to meet. We will meet if working if it's a working day. Next we will meet again. Okay.